असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hi, this is Vivek here. In this session, we'll discuss about grade 7, chapter 2, exercise 2.5, which is related to decimal numbers. So, in that exercise 2.5, if you consider the question number 1, which one is greater? So, which one is greater, 0.7 or 0.07? So, now how to compare these two numbers? First of all, you just write these two numbers matching with the decimal point. You know the decimal point. To divide the number into the whole number part and decimal part, we use the decimal point. After immediately right of the decimal point, the place is tenth place, and immediate right of the tenth place is hundredth place. Then after immediate right of hundredth place is the thousandth place. We have learnt in the previous session, and by using that knowledge, we just compare this 0.7 and 0.07. So, in order to compare these two numbers, we just arrange the two numbers one below the other by matching with the decimal point, or align the numbers with matching with decimal point. So, 0.0 and 7. Okay, first of all, we just compare decimal part, after that whole number part. Here there is not enough places. So, where there is not enough places, in those places we fill up with zeros. At the end of the decimal, we can have zeros to write. We can able to write zeros at the end of decimal, right? Okay, compare them. First, 0, 7. So, okay, right. Which is how to compare that 3 and 4. These are the whole numbers. We could easily to know that 3 is the small number and 4 is the greatest number. We can write 3 is less than 4, like that, right? So, the decimal numbers, the number which has the greatest whole number, that is the greatest decimal number. Here, when we compare the whole numbers, 0, 0. Next, we will go for the tenth place. This is the 7 and this is the 0, right? So, whole numbers are 0. Then immediate option is tenth place. The number which has greatest number in the tenth place, that is the greatest number. If here also there is a 0, we will go for the hundredth place. If there also it is not clear, we will go for the thousandth place, like that. So, here there is no problem at all. The tenth place is greater of 0.7 is greater than 0.07, right? We will go for here the second one. I think it is fourth, right? 6 and 0.66. 6, that means 6.0000, like that. Okay, now compare them. First of all, number parts we have to compare. Then after, if it is not clear here, we will go for the tenth place. So, we could not get any information by comparing tenth places. We should go for the hundredth places, right? So, here you can see the whole number part of this number is greater. So, 6 and 0, 6 is the greatest number. So, let's write that 6 is greater than 0.66. Okay, in this session, we will discuss about that question number 2, which is regarding to exercise 2.5. Express the following as rupees using decimals. Okay, how to express rupees and pies into the decimal? So, here we go. 100 pies is equals to 1 rupee. Everybody knows that. But when we talk about 1 paisa, what about, 1 paisa is, what is the part of 1 rupee? Right, 1 paisa is equals to 1/100th part of rupee. Okay, when it is right in the decimal, so 1 paisa is equals to 0.01 rupees. 0.01 rupees. Yeah, 7 pice. So 7 paisa can be written as 0.07 rupees, as well as 8 paisa 0.08 rupees. So here we come 9 pice. So this is also like that. 9 pice is equals to rupees 0 and 09. Right? So this is about 9 paisa when we expressed in the decimal number. Right? We'll go for the next one. 77 rupees 7 pice. So rupees, okay, rupees, so the symbol should be changed. Rupees 77, okay. 7 pice it can be written as or expressed as 0.07, okay, 0.07. This is the amount which can be expressed by using decimal is 77 rupees 7 pice. Always we use 2 digits to represent pice. Right? Now 235 pice. You know that 235 paisa, when we converted into rupees, 1 paisa is equals to 100th, 7 paisa is equals to 7 by 100, 8 paisa is equals to 8 by 100. When we convert this 235 pice into the rupees by 100. Okay, now write the decimal number. There are 2 zeros. We put the decimal 2 digits from the right, so it will be the right side of the decimal point represents pice and the left of the decimal point represents rupees. So finally we get 2 rupees 35 pice.